Stop what you're doing. This tiny electric truck might just be the game changer we've all been waiting for. No, it's not another oversized, expensive electric vehicle. This is the Slate Truck, and it's flipping everything we know about pickups on its head. Picture this, an electric truck that's affordable, customizable, and can be yours for under $20,000 after the federal tax credit. Intrigued? Let's dive into the future of trucks. The Slate Truck isn't just any electric pickup, it's a revolution on wheels. Smaller than you'd expect, yet packed with everything you need. Imagine a truck that can fit into tight city spaces, with the muscle to handle light-duty tasks, and all this wrapped in a sleek, customizable package that's completely rethinking what a truck should be. Let's talk about size, because this truck might surprise you. The Slate Truck is tiny, shorter than a Honda Civic, and even shorter than the Ford Maverick. In fact, it's almost the exact same size as the 1984 Toyota pickup. Yes, you heard that right. With a length of just 174.6 inches, this is one compact powerhouse. It's the kind of truck that fits in almost any parking space without sacrificing on what really matters: performance and practicality. Now, you might be thinking, wait, is it really that small? Absolutely. And that's what makes it stand out. The Slate's wheelbase is 108.9 inches, a little longer than the 1984 Toyota SR5's 103 inches, but it still keeps things compact and manageable. It's 70.6 inches wide, wider than that classic Toyota, and at 69.3 inches tall, it's got some extra height for that rugged truck look. Plus, the 75-inch bed gives you enough room for gear, tools, or whatever you need to haul. But here's the kicker: the Slate doesn't just stop with its bed. It's got a front trunk, giving you even more storage. How cool is that? What makes this truck a true game changer is customization. You don't just buy a Slate Truck, you build it. With over 100 accessories to choose from, you can transform this pickup to fit your exact needs. From power windows and lift kits to an SUV conversion kit, Slate lets you have your truck your way. Want more space? You can even turn it into an SUV with a roof panel and a 3-across rear bench seat. Need more style? Choose a vinyl wrap to give your Slate a fresh new look. This truck is all about giving you the freedom to choose. Now, let's get into the power. The Slate Truck is no slouch when it comes to performance. Powered by a rear-mounted motor, it delivers 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, perfect for city driving and light hauling. With a towing capacity of 1,000 pounds and a 1,433 pound payload capacity, this truck packs a punch where it counts. And with the standard 47 kilowatt-hours battery, you'll get around 150 miles of range. But if that's not enough for you, go for the 75 kilowatt-hours option, which boosts your range to 240 miles, ideal for those longer trips. Oh, and charging? It's quick with a 120 kW charging speed. Inside, the Slate takes simplicity to a whole new level. Forget about clunky infotainment systems that are just one more thing to break. Instead, Slate is all about making things simple. The truck doesn't come with a traditional infotainment system. Your smartphone or tablet serves that purpose. It's minimalistic, but it works perfectly for those who don't need extra fluff. And yes, there's a dock to hold your devices, so you can stay connected while on the go. Here's the kicker: while most electric trucks are out of reach for the average person, the Slate Truck starts at under $27,500. And when you factor in that $7,500 federal tax credit, you're looking at a price tag that can dip below $20,000. That's almost unheard of for an electric vehicle. And with additional state incentives, you could even snag one for less than $16,500. The Slate Truck is definitely affordable, especially when you compare it to other electric vehicles on the market today. So, is the Slate Truck the future of electric pickups? It's small, it's affordable, and it's packed with the versatility and customization that truck lovers crave. But it might not be for everyone. If you need a larger, more powerful vehicle for heavy-duty tasks, this might not be your best bet. But for those looking for a compact, customizable, and budget-friendly electric truck that's perfect for city life and light hauling, the Slate Truck is exactly what you've been waiting for. What do you think? Would you drive the Slate Truck, or is it just too compact for your needs? Let me know in the comments below. And, if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Curious Corner for more exciting news and reviews on all things tech, cars, and the future of innovation.